Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. I filmed this eye look. It's coming on Saturday. Is it this coming Saturday? It is this coming Saturday. So in a couple days, this eye look, along with a couple other eye looks, will be in a video that's coming on Saturday. I'm really excited about that. Not why we're here. We're here to talk trash. I have some empties here in front of me to share, and I'm really excited. This is normally my trash it and cash it, but this month is an exciting month because I don't have any cash its. I only have trash to talk about. Super exciting. I am glad because last month we purchased way too many Clionadh eyeshadows. I would also be lying if I said I didn't look at the website again for Clionadh because I'm out of my marbles, but I have nothing but empties to talk about in this video, so it should mean that this is a pretty quick and concise video, so I'm happy about that. But I'm even more happy that I haven't brought any other new things into my collection. I'm really proud that August was a no-buy month for me, which I wasn't setting out to do, but I definitely needed it for sure. Let's talk about my Project Pan spoiler first because I don't want you to be spoiled. So I'll have a timestamp so you can skip ahead if you don't want a spoiler. My spoiler item is actually coming in from my year-long Project Pan, and it was something I wasn't expecting to finish when I finished it. But that's this Supergoop Daily Dose Hydroceramide Boost plus SPF oil. I really ended up liking this. I might buy another one of these. I'm actually quite tempted. I need to get through quite a few sunscreens otherwise, but I can definitely see myself purchasing this on the same wavelength of sunscreens. This guy, I officially finished it. Oh man. Oh my gosh. So I cut it open and got every ounce out of this guy. This is the Supergoop Mineral Sheer Screen SPF. This had like quite a bit of a white cast, blue cast to it. So it was nice, not my favorite, but I like it more than the one I'm currently using, which is the Every Single Face Moisturizer, which I don't like. I'm going to count this in my empties for this month because I really did the work on it in this month, and I will show you it because there's not much product left in it. But I have the Drunk Elephant Ceramide AF Eye Balm. I really like this as an eye cream. I might repurchase this. I haven't decided. I'm going to go through another sample before I repurchase, and out of the two, I'm going to decide which one I want because I like both of them. I ended up actually totally demolishing the packaging. Like, this is light as a feather because the product is stored in this. I completely broke this thing to get this out of it, but there is a tiny bit of product in this little airless pump, and I have a makeup spatula that I can use to get inside of this. The last couple things I have to talk about are makeup products, and I always love saving the makeup for last. But the first thing I finished, which is the Juice Beauty Phytopigments Illuminating Primer. Yeah. This I got as a little free sample from work when I worked at Ulta as gratis, just free product to try. I didn't really like this, and to the point where I didn't think it did anything on my face, so I didn't want to use it as a primer, and I ended up just using it as like a shoulder and décolleté illuminator just to give myself a little sheen. I didn't purchase this, but I wouldn't seek out and buy this. So this is just done in my collection. Very happy to have what is technically a primer out of my collection. Always love that. Then I also finished this guy here. This was a gift from Haley a couple years ago. This is the Fenty Diamond Balm, which is like a cream highlight kind of thing. However, it was too dark for me to use as a cream highlight because it's the shade Fenty Glow, so I used it as a cream blush. I scooped everything I could. I put it in my cream contour palette by e.l.f. and as you can see, there's nothing left in this guy. And I'm really happy with the work that I did put in this. It was like my daily cream blush for a good long while. So this is done in my collection. Very excited to get something that I tend to do is hold on to things that people give me and like never use them and then just put them on a pedestal. So I'm really happy that I actually did get to enjoy and use this while it still was good in my collection. So happy about that. Then a couple other items that you would have seen in, I don't remember what project pan it was, maybe my year long, maybe my Becca panning, I don't know. But I finished these two items in tandem, but we'll talk about one and then the other. The one that was in my project pan was the Bare Minerals Loose Original Foundation in the shade Golden Medium. This thing was so old when, this is so old in my collection, and I'm so happy to finally have it done. I might be able to get like one more very small application out of it. You can take like a quarter and kind of pry out like a coin of some sort and pry out the bottom thing. I'm pretty sure I did that to get everything out of this in the first place though, but she's done, empty. There's no product left in there. I don't know if you can really tell. There's nothing left in there. What I ended up doing was taking this and pressing it with the Fenty powder because this thing, man, this thing was a very hard product to work with in my opinion. So this was super hard pressed, the Fenty Matte Pro Filter Powder Foundation thing. What are you actually? The Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Cool. So this was actually like too firmly pressed in my opinion. So whenever I would use a brush in it, it would like hard pan over, which was super weird. So I ended up mixing the Bare Minerals powder in with it and pressing it that way. And it actually turned it into a really, really nicely pressed, like not loose, but not firm. It was like the perfect pressing of a powder. And I think really it's because this had probably too much binder in it. And when I had a loose powder that had no binder in it, it just made it work so much better. So finished two powder foundations, one that's been in my collection for a long time, and then one that was in my collection for maybe a year, 2 years tops. I got this right before I started working at Ulta. But yeah, that is my very humble, very concise, small trash it and cash it for the month. I'm still working on so many sunscreens in my collection. I'm chugging away at one right now. I'm working on hair care that should be pretty soon to being empty in September, then some skincare products that I'm hoping will be empty in September. So hopefully we can keep the train going and not let our feet off the gas yet. We really need to make some, I need to make some strides in my collection makeup wise. I feel like I do pretty well with my skincare and hair care. Hair care just takes me forever, but I feel like I've been making a dent in it. But I just feel like I need to do a little bit more. Like, if you didn't see, I have 30 items that I'm trying to finish before the end of 2023, the 30 before 2024. That's not like a project, but I am going to just keep tabs on the items that I'm finishing up in there. I know I'm so close to having some more project pan items done, and then I'll be able to roll some of those items that I want to finish into those projects as long as the prompts fit. But that is it for my Trash It and Cash It for August. Really, it's just the trash and trash for August, but that is okay. I'm very happy that we didn't bring anything into my already full, I don't need any more things, but that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on Saturday in a little bonus video, and until then, I hope you're staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!